Hi guys, welcome to another product review with DreamWorks. Today we are reviewing the Ariel 18-inch LED soft ring light. Here you can see it comes in a big blue box. In the box I have a black bag and here's what's in it. We have the ring light itself, the remote control with batteries. You can use the remote control to increase the brightness, softness, and light temperature. Don't forget guys, you can get this ring light from any of our DreamWorks stores in Ogudu, Surulere, Ikeja, Adeniyi, Lekki, Arumere, or our store in Abuja. Or you can simply shop online at dreamworksdirect.com. And thanks for watching guys, see you in the next video.